Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Study with HA, and today I am here before you people with a new topic that is called what is prose. I am going to tell you that what is prose, an introduction to prose. And in this particular video I am not going to deal the particular era of the prose that it is the prose of Elizabethan period, it is the prose of the Victorian age, it is the prose of the modern age. No, not at all. I am just talking about the simply that what actually prose is. So in this particular lecture, I am going to tell you that what is the definition of prose, what is the origin of the prose, what are the main types of the prose, and what are the main elements of prose. So these are the headings of subtopics which I am going to deal in this particular lecture. Written or spoken language in its ordinary form without metrical structure is called prose. A short story, for example, is prose. Now they are saying that what is actually prose is. If we talk in very simple language that what actually prose is, then they are saying that anything or every piece of writing that is written or in spoken language and that is also in some ordinary form and that is going to not follow any kind of structure, that is not going to follow any metrical structure, any designed structure, then that thing will be called prose. For example, a short story is always written in the form of a prose. Next, they are saying that what actually prose is. What is the prose? Again, definition of the prose, that any piece of writing or literature that is in the form of sentences or paragraphs. For example, we can say that poetry is usually in the forms of the stanzas, sonnets, and epic form, and many other kinds of the poetry. But anything that is written in the form of description, that is going to written in the form of narration, that is going to narrate something, describe something in the form of, we can say in simple word, we can say that anything that is in the form of essay writing, in the form of written description, sentences and paragraph, that thing will be called prose. Next, we are going to deal about the origin of the prose. It is derived from a word, Latin word, and that was further derived from the old French word that was from oratio, and it was before said that it is prose, and now in modern age it is called prose. So this is the origin of prose, from which word, from which language, from which word its origin is. Here it is, and you can see that it is derived from which word, which means was direct, and now in modern language it is called prose. Next, we are going to deal about the basic elements of the prose, that what are the main elements, what are the things, what are the key facts that are used to make a thing as a prose. What are the main elements? The basic elements of prose are, number one is there is character, that you are going to narrate the story of something. Obviously this is the story, yeah, this is the description about which you are going to talk. There will be must some character. It may be one, two, or more, up to you and up to the writer as well. Then there is characterization, there is must be setting, there must be a plot, and there must be some point of view, and always there is also a mood of the writer, that what is the mood of the writer, in which that in which mood, in which concept the writer is going to talk about the story, what is the point of view of the writer, what is the plot, we know that the logical sequence of the events, setting, that in which scenario the story has been portrayed, and which characters are going to narrate, of which characters the story is going to narrate, किन characters की जो है वो story जो narrate की जा रही है. This is the list of the elements of the prose. Next, guys, you have some types of the prose in literature, and here are basically four types of the prose in literature. Number one, fictional prose. Number two, non-fictional prose. Number three, heroic prose, and number four is poetry prose. So these are the major four types of prose and in literature that are usually used. Let's see the description of these types in detail. In simple language, we can say that the fictional prose is that includes, fictional means that according to some fiction, afsana type stories related जिसे हम कहते हैं. For example, it includes will be there will be some categories of this fictional prose as well. It includes novel, novellas, and short story. As I earlier told you that short story is written in the form of prose. That short story written is called prose. So this is the first category of the prose, that it is called fictional prose. Next one is the non-fictional prose. Non-fictional prose means that there are some kinds of biographies of some writers or any person, essays, general. So this list will be called non-fictional prose. Number 3, heroic prose. Heroic, as the name is showing that heroic, it will be related to some heroes adventures, some particular I would say that, what should I say, some particular incident, some particular specific issue of some particular person, like legends, some tales, some heroic tale, some person that is heroic status, that will be called heroic prose. And number 4, last one is there is poetry prose. So it is the name, as the name is showing that it's amalgamation of the poetry as well as prose. And poetry written in prose instead of using words but maintaining the poetic qualities. Last one is very important one, that any piece of poetry that is written in the form of the poetry, although it is prose, although it is poetry as well, but it is going to be amalgamation of what, so that will be called poetry prose. William Tyndale, who is the father of English prose? So this is the name of the person who is called the father of the English prose. Who is that person? That is William Tyndale. Pronunciation you guys may check, and what is actually pronunciation. So here is the name, that who is the father of the English prose. Here is the name. Next or last one is, guys, poetry and the prose, that what is the difference between prose and poetry. Here is a list of differences which I have created for you guys, that what is prose and what is poetry. Prose, there are no line breaks, sentences run to the right margin, as I earlier told, that in prose there are some sentences, they are going to narrate, they are going to tell the story, and that is called the prose. While in poetry they uses the line breaks, while in proses we don't use line breaks, because we use sentences, we use long paragraphs in order to describe. While in poetry we have to use two line breaks for various reasons, that is a formatted rhythm. There is going to, there in poetry, their lines, there is always a rhythm which is going to emphasize on a particular idea, whilst lines can run extremely long or as be short as one word of a letter. So this is the first difference between prose and poetry, that जो prose होती है हमारी, उसमें हम लाइन ब्रेक्स नहीं कर सकते, हम sentences के फॉर्म में, पैराग्राफ्स की फॉर्म में जो है we are going to narrate the thing, while in poetry we have to use the line breaks. हमें line breaks को लेके आना होता है, because every line has some rhythm that is emphasizing on some certain idea. Number second one is that the first word of each sentence is capitalized. In prose जो है हमारा जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस लेटर जो होता है, that is always capital, while in poetry traditionally first letter of every line is capitalized, but modern poets choose not to follow this rule strictly. They are saying that also a very major or significant feature in difference between poetry and prose is that prose every sentence first letter is capital, while modern writers are going to negate this thing in the poetry. They use it, although it is the rule that whenever you are going to start a line you have to start it with the capital letter, but in poetry modern poets don't use to follow this rule. And number 3 or last one is the difference is there, prose looks the large blocks of the words, कि जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि प्रोज जो है ऐसे फॉर्म ऑफ राइटिंग जो है हम उसे कह देते हैं नरेशन, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन जो है लंबी लंबी दी जाती हैं, जिसे हम कहते हैं कि रिटन फॉर्म में जो है चीज़ें दी गई हैं, तो पैराग्राफ्स के फॉर्म में है, सेंटेंसेस के फॉर्म में. सो इट लुक्स लाइक अ लार्ज ब्लॉक्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स. इनके इसमें हमें ना लार्ज ब्लॉक्स ऑफ वर्ड्स जो है नज़र आ रहे हैं. वाइल इन पोइट्री द शेप ऑफ पोइट्री कैन बी वेरी डिपेंडिंग ऑन वन लेंथ एंड बी इंटेंट ऑफ द पोइट, कि जबकि पोइट्री में जो है ये इसकी जो लेंथ है इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पोइट एंड इंटेंट ऑफ द पोइट इन विच इंटेंशन ही इज़ गोइंग टू tell you. So this is a little difference between prose and poetry. I hope you guys have must enjoy the video as well, and if you are watching my video at first time and you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, press the button of bell icon. You may be able to get the notification of my upcoming videos, and thank you very much. Stay in touch and see you in the next video.